I am Agas. Today I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube. It is a marvelous invention that can be used for mental retardation. When we have many choice, we need to solve Rubik's Cube. I even studied this Rubik's Cube for 3 years. Now I can solve this in 1 minute. Please watch this and like and subscribe this. Guys, it is a shuffled Rubik's Cube. Now I am going to solve this Rubik's Cube in 1 minute. Watch this. I am solving this by special artist. I even tried this for many months. Please subscribe and like it. Look guys, I have finished this. Please like it.